Hey, I was good. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with some snowflake type frosted snowman nails that I did on myself. I feel like these are very beginner friendly because I most definitely am a beginner. So that's the clear side, and before that was the jelly nail blue side. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. I saw this jelly nail tutorial on TikTok, so I wanted to try it out for myself. So right now I'm just taking out some top coat, and then I'm gonna mix it with a little bit, like a drop of nail polish, and that'll be like my jelly top coat. I would not recommend doing this before you do your nails because it dries up, so don't do that first. Definitely do that part after you're ready to put polish on, because it dries up and it's hard to like work with. My goal was to get a clearish blue, so I only added a little bit of blue at a time to make sure like it wasn't too blue but it wasn't too clear. Just do it to your preference. You could use like a nail tip to swatch it out and stuff. So this video will be more of a watch me work style. So you're gonna watch me touch up my cuticle, prep my nails, and all that good stuff. Now for the acrylic part, the first nail was like a white to clear ombre style, and the rest were just clear. But if you have ugly nails underneath, I wouldn't recommend the clear nails. Just to your preference, basically. Also, to do these nails, I used some iridescent flakes I got from AliExpress and some snowflakes I got from Amazon. It's like $3, but the snowflakes were a little bit big, so I had to use like a little bit of the cuticle nipper to like cut the sides a little bit if it was too big for my nail, but it wasn't a big deal to me. And I also use a little bit of nail glue to help it stick to the acrylic more. So after I put all the snowflakes in and the flakes in, I went ahead and encapsulated the nail with some clear acrylic powder. For the jelly nails part, I just went in with a base coat, then 2 coats of the mixed polish, and then a top coat to seal it off. One thing I want to say is that the Young Nails primer, the GOAT. I'm telling you, my nails lasted about 4 weeks. No issues. Maybe a little bit of lifting towards the 4th week, but it lasted me a long time. Like, I just took off the nails and I did this in like before Thanksgiving, and now it's like past Christmas. So yeah, they lasted me a long time. So these are the end results. I could decide which side I liked more, but now I'm thinking about it, I think I like the blue side more than the clear side, because my other nails are kind of ugly. But anyways, I feel like it came out really cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can get notified when I post. And yeah, thank you for watching my video.